Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Mina and we're back with another video. So in today's video, we are reviewing this super cute highlight closure unit from Remy Forte hair. I love it. This unit takes heat really well. I literally curled my hair in like less than 30 minutes. It's pre-plucked, pre-parted. Hair quality is amazing. I used a little bit of holding gel just to tack my lace down just a little bit and it looks so good, y'all. Install process was super duper easy. Yeah, this unit is just everything. I'm pleased. If you want the details to this unit, stick around. But before you go, as always, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Okay, I'll see you on a few.
Best friend, me, myself, and I. That's all I got in the end. That's what I found out. And it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on, I'm gonna be my own best friend. Got me, myself, and I know that I will never find myself.
All right, so like I said earlier, today we're working with Remy Forte hair. So they sent me a unit. We're gonna try it on. We're gonna do all the good stuff. And yeah, we're gonna look cute. But I put it on already because I am in a hurry. But this is the unit they sent me. As you can see, it is black with blonde highlights. This is a closure. And it came pre-plucked, pre-parted, all that good stuff. This is it. I believe this is 26 inches. It's quite long. Just to show y'all the length. Okay, I have my curling wand heating up because I wanted to add some curls to this. I'm not gonna do like crazy curls just because I don't really have the time, but it has a little bit of wave to it already. So I'm just going to capitalize off of that. And then we'll hot comb it, we'll take the wig band off and we'll see what we're working with. The hair quality is very, very nice though. Super soft. I like heat protected too because it also adds a lot of shine to the hair. I'm probably just gonna go in bigger sections to save time. And no, I said I wasn't gonna curl all of the hair, but like, I'm going to try to curl enough of it. Oh wow, it curls very, very fast. If y'all can see, I didn't even have it on for that long, but already got a cute little curl right there. I don't know how long it's gonna last in the Houston humidity, but that's neither here nor there. But yeah, like I said, I'm just gonna do really big pieces. I don't know if I mentioned what type of holding gel I used, but it's the Even Wonder Lace Bond Holding Gel Extreme Firm Hold. I was going to go glueless, but I decided last minute we at least use a holding gel because I'm going to a birthday party and I'm gonna drink. So, you know, I don't have time to be worrying if my lace is sliding back. Can't do it today. I love how quickly this is going, and I feel like it's only going this quickly because the hair takes heat really, really well. I don't even have to hold the curling wand to it for very, very long. It curls super quickly. Come in.
You have going on sexy.
Oh, I feel me?
Oh, what's down? What's down, YouTube?
Trying to finish curling my hair so I can get dressed. Alrighty, finished curling my hair. Looking good. I have my hot comb heating up. Gonna put a little bit of wax on the hairline. Keep those flyaways down. And then on the part. And I'm just gonna comb the curls out before I start hot combing. That's cute. Like I said, I wasn't going for super tight curls. I was just trying to add a little bit of definition to the hair. So I am pleased. This is definitely the fastest I've ever curled a wig. Oh, wow, that's pretty. Take off the wig band. Our gel held, super secure. I'm gonna grab a little bit of liquid mousse just for a nice little melt. Get rid of any wet lines of demarcation. We're gonna bring out our hot comb and get to it. And we are done. Looking very cute. I would say for a closure, I'm very pleased at how this turned out. Curls look gorgeous. Love the color. Lace looks really good. I'm a fan. All in all, I love. Hair quality is super nice. Takes heat really well and really quickly. Pore closure looks really good. I just laid some baby hairs over it. Shout out to Remy Forte for sending me this unit. Your girl is impressed. I will have all the details to the unit down below in the bio for y'all. If you have any questions, feel free to leave me a comment and I'll get to that as soon as I can. If you enjoyed the video, go ahead and leave it a like, comment down below your thoughts, and as always, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I'll see y'all later.
From now on, I'm gonna be my own best friend. Got me, myself.